BJP's prime ministerial candidate and Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi will hold the first of his 9 rallies in the crucial state of Uttar Pradesh today. There are massive arrangements for the rally that have been made at various levels. Here's the story.
Today, Narendra Modi will step on this stage, which will expect him to perform his best ever. His politics, his wins, his party's claims of a Modi wave now face a challenge called Uttar Pradesh. His first of the 9 rallies in Uttar Pradesh can make or break his Delhi dream. That's why the effort has been like no other rally. Modi's first outing for 2014 in Uttar Pradesh has been crafted by his most trusted man, Amit Shah. Till late on Friday night, Shah was at the rally grounds belting orders. Still, to keep away evil forces, somewhere on this ground, a pair of snakes made of pure silver has been buried. Vastu experts have decided the contours of the stage, the rally time, Modi's arrival and departure, all dictated by astrologers and star constellations. The BJP is not taking any chances. The BJP is leaving no stones unturned. One day before the rally, a Facebook page titled Modify UP is operational.
Right now we have the update for the rally for Kanpur, Jhansi and Bahraich. And in that you will have the facility of having his live update via the registered official Twitter and the Facebook account over there.
Facebook, blogs and Twitter updates will be posted in real time. Dozens of LED and video screens will keep participants engaged. 150 workers trained specially for this occasion, armed with laptops and smartphones, will reach out to those who are far from Kanpur. The theme song of the address will be Gen Next and Development. A special enclosure has been created for young participants. Modi doesn't want his development image dented. But beneath this new, a lot remains the same. For example, the rally will showcase Narendra Modi, old strident Hindutva face, his deputy Amit Shah and Kalyan Singh, UP Chief Minister when Babri Mosque was demolished. The BJP knows development alone will not bring it close to the 57-seat high of 1998. That's why the Hindutva theme will play out, but subtly.
मोदी जी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के हमारे वरिष्ठ नेता हैं, तो निश्चित तौर से भारतीय जनता पार्टी की जो भी अपने हमारे मुद्दे हैं, हमारे जो विषय हैं, जो हमारी विचारधारा है, वो उनके रंग रंग में दिखता और वो सबके बीच में जाता है।
मोदी जी की जो रैलीज हो रही हैं, उनका संदेश पूरे देश भर में जा रहा है। उत्तर प्रदेश में भारतीय जनता पार्टी लोकसभा के चुनाव में बहुत अच्छा प्रदर्शन करेगी।
But Modi and Amit Shah can take credit for activating an almost dead cadre, out of power in UP since 2002, pushed to the 4th position in Lok Sabha. Unlike the 90s, the challenge is to get the new voters, regain the old support base.
देखिए, यूपी हमारे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, चैलेंज लेकिन और बहुत चैलेंज भी है। हमने यहाँ लोगों में विश्वास पैदा किया है। हम यहाँ लोगों को ये बताने के लिए कृत संकल्प हैं कि हम डेवलपमेंट को आगे बढ़ाएंगे।
सशक्त नेतृत्व का जो विकास हुआ है, उसके वजह से उत्साह बढ़ा है और उसी उत्साह से यह जो लक्ष्य प्राप्त करने की नीयत है, वो पूर्ति हो।
The BJP claims that there is a nationwide Narendra Modi wave, but in Uttar Pradesh, Narendra Modi will have to ride 2 boats. One of his present favorite development agenda, and then the ever-present Hindutva agenda. And the BJP knows that a slip on any one of these fronts can actually upset Modi and the BJP's ride. In Kanpur with Arif Mohammed, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.